In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to my Google Business account. Before we begin, it's important to clarify what this usually means inside Google Business Profile. In most cases, adding an email address is not about showing a public email for customers to contact you. Instead, it usually means giving another person access to help manage your business profile, such as a team member, assistant, or marketing professional. That access is controlled through the people and access settings. To get started, go to your Google Business Profile through Google Search or Google Maps while signed into the Google account that currently manages the business. Once your profile is open, look for the menu with the three dots. This is where you'll find additional profile options and settings that are not always visible on the main screen. Click the three dots menu, then choose Business Profile Settings. This will open the area where you can manage key administrative controls for the profile. From there, click People and Access. This section is specifically designed for managing who can view, edit, or help control the business profile. Once you're in People and Access, select Add. Google will then prompt you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type in their email carefully to avoid sending access to the wrong account. After that, you'll need to choose a role for them. Typically, you'll see options such as manager or owner. A manager can help update business details, respond to reviews, and manage parts of the profile, while an owner has a higher level of control. Because of that, it's a good idea to assign the lowest level of access necessary for the person's responsibilities. If someone only needs to help with updates and day-to-day management, manager is often the safer choice. After entering the email and selecting the role, click Invite. Google will send an invitation to that email address, and the person will need to accept it before they can access the profile. If they don't see the invitation right away, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder, and make sure they are signed in with the same email address that received the invite. That's all it takes to add someone to your Google Business Profile for management access. Just remember, this process is for granting profile access through email, not necessarily for displaying a public contact email on your listing. If you found this helpful, you can repeat the same process anytime you need to add another trusted user to help manage your business profile.